What has happened is that this bill was brought in at the very last moment. There was no discussion done on this. Secondly, everybody had the right to discuss on this particular bill. This is taking away the power from the people of this country. The people of this country were entitled to 100 days of work. Now this new reform has promised 125 days of work. Can you tell me if this government in the last 11 years have they been able to provide more than 50 to 52 days? They have connected this entire system to a AI based platform. The rural India is not well briefed with an AI based platform. How do you expect them to cope up with the payment methods? Even with the Aadhaar based payment methods, it has failed drastically. Many people, over 13 crore people are going to be affected in this country. Earlier, a sarpanch or the gram panchayat would decide what work was to be done in the area. But now, Delhi will decide what work has to be done. Earlier, it was centrally funded, totally 100%. Now, they have put this entire pressure on the state, and the center is going to be funding only 60%, putting the rest of the pressure on the state at 40%. So we want to understand from this government that how long do they want to continue to destroy the poor people of this country. The poor people are affected every day. At least they had Manrega. Even during the COVID period, it was the Manrega that saved so many lives, that brought food to the table. But it is very sad that this government has decided to also rename Manrega into VB G Ramji Bill. Now, every time I do not understand why this government wants to rename. Every time they rename, every time they have to waste money at the state level, at the central level, the same person's photo has to be put up again and again with the new name. Why do they have this, what should I say, this enthusiasm to always change names? Why are they so insecure? Why can't they follow the old names that are there? And what have they done? Earlier, it was Godse who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi ji. This time, it is this BJP government which carries the DNA that is assassinating the very essence of the